This is the Doogee S119, the brand's newest rugged smartphone, which comes with several interesting features. Let's check out its specifications to see if it's worth it. Starting with the design, it's a rugged phone with 15.7mm thickness, weighing only 368 grams, which is normal for a rugged phone. Additionally, it comes with IP68 and IP69K certifications, which guarantee total protection against dust and water, being able to stay submerged for up to 30 minutes at 2 meters depth. The body is reinforced with MILSTD 810H military certification. For the display, we have a 6.72-inch IPS FHD Plus panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes navigation smoother and improves gaming experience. The brightness reaches 380 nits, which isn't the highest, but meets daily use needs. An interesting differential is that it features a round secondary display on the back, which can be used for various functions. Inside, we have the MediaTek MT8788 processor manufactured in 12 nanometers, with 8 2.0 GHz cores. The GPU is a Mali G72MP3 running at 800 MHz, working together with 8 GB of RAM, which can be expanded by another 16 GB through virtual memory, totaling 24 GB. Storage is 512 GB, and if that's not enough for you, it still supports microSD cards up to 2 TB. In the camera setup, we have a 100-megapixel main camera with 1.8 aperture and 79-degree field of view for everyday photos. As always, we also have a 20-megapixel night vision camera with 1.8 aperture, which allows photography even in total darkness. To complete, we have a 5-megapixel ultra-wide with 2.2 aperture and 120-degree field of view. For selfies, we have a 16-megapixel front camera with 2.25 aperture that serves its purpose well. In terms of battery, the S119 comes with an impressive 10,200 mAh capacity, which should last several days of use. And when the battery runs out, 33-watt charging will be ready to serve you, which isn't the fastest, but considering the battery size, it's understandable. A differential is that it can function as a power bank to charge other devices. For connectivity, we have 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, and GPS with support for various navigation systems like GLONASS, Galileo, Beidou, and AGPS, which helps with positioning accuracy. The S119 also comes with Android 14 out of the box, features a side-mounted fingerprint reader that responds very quickly, and has NFC for contactless payments. Among some interesting extra features worth highlighting, we have FM radio and a very complete camera interface with Pro, HDR, Portrait, Panorama, Time-lapse modes, and other features. The weight might be a bit more than you're used to, but that's the price of the extra resistance it offers. The processor isn't the most powerful, and the Bluetooth is somewhat outdated, but the huge battery and good cameras make up for these limitations. If you work in construction, are in the military, practice extreme sports, or just want a smartphone without worrying about drops in water, this Doogee S119 brings an interesting set of features to consider, especially for its enormous battery as is common in rugged phones, especially because it doesn't require a big investment to have this device. It costs only about $200. Link in the description. So, what did you think of the Doogee S119? Leave us comments in the demographic field below. Before you go, be sure to join our exclusive X-Tech Deals channel on WhatsApp. There you'll find super deals, incredible coupons, and stay protected from scams. All links are in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. Bye.